Hey my loves, today we're gonna be cooking honey nut squash soup. This is my first time and this is for beginners, and let's get into it. First you want to skin it, which I had no clue, but I found out quickly, and then you want to cut into pieces. If you have a potato skin peeler, then use that. It will be helpful, and make sure you have a thick knife because this is some tough skin. This is some tough squash, but it's beautiful. Step 2 is you're gonna coat it in some olive oil, pure virgin, and then you're just going to mix it all around together in your hands. You don't have to be heavy on the olive oil. Next, you're gonna do salt and pepper. Just sprinkle it as you please, but don't be heavy-handed. Pro tip, don't oversalt and use lemon if you prefer oilless, or basil and sage and rosemary if you do not like salt and pepper. Next, you just want to, for step 3, coat your skillet or cast iron skillet with olive oil. Do not skip this step or else your squash will stick to the bottom of the pan, and that's not fun to try to get some burnt squash off your cast iron skillet or any of your skillets that you may have. No one wants to clean rust. Step 5, add the garlic in there while it's still cooking, but this is the product after 30 minutes. I suggest leave it in longer for honey tasting. You may or may not add honey because it's already a sweet flavored squash. So I said I just added me a little dosage and go on about my day. Here is where I was having trial and error because I didn't add water at first. Big mistake. You want to make sure it's super liquidy, so add water from the jump to ensure that it comes out smooth and well blended. Other than that, you're gonna have to keep going back and adding more and more water. So just pour as much water as you can the first time and blend. In the meantime, we're gonna talk about why did I choose butternut squash. Well, it provides us many benefits and nutrients such as vitamin A and C, as well as vitamin E. Vitamin E is perfect for hair and skin. Vitamin A helps regulate cell growth, eye health, and immune function, as well as vitamin C helps regulate immune function, tissue repair, and wound healing. Who got some wounds they needed to heal? All these vitamins work as antioxidant, which protects your cells from damage. It is also packed with B vitamins such as folate and B6, which is needed and necessary for energy, for us to feel good and alive, as well as regulate our red blood cells. Also, butternut squash is an excellent source of magnesium, potassium, and manganese, all critical for our bone health. So if your bones be hurting, this squash is for you. It's also for those who struggle with inflammation. It is known to reduce it as well. It was so good I had to sneak some, but this isn't really soup, you know? So that's why we added water. This was good just by itself. Thank you, Jesus. Y'all want some squash. Y'all want squash. That's a good sauce for spaghetti or anything. Got the timing right on these, but trust me, the longer the better. Get them burnt. And here's this creamy soup. See, you want them to be roasted. You want them to be good and well cooked, because it just brings out the flavor even more. And so this is my soup with roasted squash and butternut squash. 10 tenths recommend. Get you some today. I love you guys. Bye.